No, no. Use the dock menu on the menu bar. Where the fuck's the menu bar? There it is. Cool. Why is it not loading? Oh, it is now. Yo, Miles Better. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? Does it look too dark? DJ Rusty Russ, what's up, man? Does it look dark? Because it does on my screen. It's really annoying. Really annoying. I'm gonna mute my mic. Whoops. Okay. Chilling, mate. Fixing. It's not a phone. It is technically a phone. Yeah, it's a scanner. The parts just arrived for it. 3 a.m. in the morning. Damn. You're nuts, DJ. I know you work nights though, right? The chips come for it, so hopefully I could get it working again. Nice, man. Thank you. Yeah, I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon, and I've got so much more room now. It's lovely. I am zoomed in for a little bit, but yeah. So this is one of those tough or rugged type scanners for shops. The customer brought it to me, and I showed this bit on on a stream before. And this what the issue is. I'm not going to put 15 volts in, but I think my ammeter's playing up already, my new one. And I'll show you why later in the stream. But see, it's working. I put the original chip back in. So if I plug it in now, watch the ammeter if you can, if it will show up. It just shuts off. And on the last stream, I found the short. So then I stripped it down off stream because the stream was too late, and I took the chip off, which is here, and it stopped doing it. Morning, Peter. Morning. I have got a customer come in the next 15-20 minutes to collect something. So this is just a thermal pad I forgot to put back on the old chip, so I need to put that aside a second. Put that there. Well, it's easy to get into one of these. Somebody said, oh no, it's a rugged phone, it's going to be really hard to get into. But this one, I'm so shocked how easy it is. So easy. Got to find which bit it is now. First take the battery out. That's the battery. All it is clips around, I mean not clips, screws around here, and then I think it comes off. I can't remember now, it's been over a week. Let's take that off. Yeah. Is this the right bit? No, it's still too big. Still too big. Half of these screws don't even come out, which is pretty annoying. Hopefully we can revive this. The same customer dropped off a PC. It's an office PC, and I've tried to look at it. Well, I have looked at it, and I could get it to boot a couple of times, about a handful of times, about one handful of times. And I think it's the CPU socket, because I could only get it to work if I apply a lot of pressure on the CPU. But that's only sometimes. Other times it just won't. It just stuck in a power cycle. Really strange. See, that's off already. How easy is that? Then put this screw back in where it goes. Whoops. Oh yeah, it's got those stupid rubber feet things. I'll leave that there. So these rubber feet can come off. There should be two more up here. Yeah. There's one. There's two. Yeah, so the said chip is this one. Because if I show you now, so I get my multimeter out, I think I'm zoomed in a little bit too much. Might have to zoom it out a little. Don't know. If I go into ohms mode, and where's ground? There's a ground. And so we've got a short here, Oh, hang on, if I could get into it. There you go, 0.7 ohms. On the other side is 0.7 ohms. And there's also short over here, 0.7. And on the other side of that cap is 0.7 as well, and drop in. And I did take that chip off, and then it suddenly, the ammeter wouldn't cut off and the short had disappeared. So it's definitely that chip, which is a power management IC. I'll go under the scope in a minute once I've disassembled it all. I just got to remember now what I needed to take off. I think it was just 4 more screws. So if I change my bit, it's got some 4 little screws down here. And this should come off. Did it come off? I swear it did. No, because it's done by the other side, but I need to unscrew these for it to release. And 2 more here. And now these 6 screws along here. Well, not 6, I can't count. It's 4. It's going to be a hot day today. I know it is. Oh, my bum. But it's blue. Nice change. Oh, yeah, it's blue. Yeah, I can't remember what everyone else has. It's white and red, I think. Oh, Stephen. Hello, Steve. You're right, mate. What else am I missing? I forgot. I think that was it. I think I just need to pry it. Wait, first I need to undo some cables. Like there's a speaker cable down here. There's one there. What else did I need to take off? I think this main screen connector that needed to come open. This as well. I don't know what this is for, but that needed to come off. And I think that might have been it. So if I just lift it up now. Let me use a prying tool. Yeah, look. It's just coming straight up. This speaker, there you go. See how easy is that? That's so easy to get into. I'm good, thank you. Good. Yo, I Squish Worms. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. Right, so now let's go under the scope and I'll show you the said chip. Oh, I've moved my remote. If my microscope's working. Oh, it is working. Just a bit bright. There you go. And change the colours. Oh, there you go. Nice to see you live. Yeah, thank you. Dreams. Morning, buddy. Morning. So this is the chip. AXP. It's really hard to read, actually. Is it easier to read up there? AXP288C. And I've got a replacement one in here. So let's get this off. I have got the shakes today, which is pretty annoying. What is this we are working on? It is a mobile phone shop scanner type thing. Yeah. Yo, J Fix, morning, buddy. Got the wrong tweezers. Oh, sugar, I'm at 480 degrees. Oh, Jesus. Let's do 400. These tweezers are crap. I can't lift it up. There you go. Good. It's too warm today. Yeah, it is. Warm already. Right, so now that's gone, and I'll put it in continuity so you could hear that the short's now gone. You're trying to fix an old fan that you have. Fair play. Good luck. Sorry about the weird buzzing noise. It's because of my station, my air station's still on. But if we go here, no more short that side, and it's beeping that side. This one, no more beep. Hang on, where is it? This one. Yep, no more beep that side, and a beep that side. So the short has definitely gone. And now if I plug in my ammeter as well to show you that it doesn't shut off like it did before. Oh, put that over there a sec. And before it would shut off as soon as I plug it in. And now look, doesn't shut off anymore. So that is definitely the issue. Just hope the new chip works. Back up to 10, see next week. Sweaty for 2 more days max. God, I got really bad shakes today. I don't know why. I got to prepare this little chip. Prep. Thanks. It's easier than what you are working on as bigger components, and it's more of a mechanical issue anyway. Oh, okay. Mechanical's okay. Maybe you are dehydrated, hence the shakes. Maybe. I've had a cup of coffee this morning, but that's about it. Why is it not taken in the middle? There you go. That might be enough, or it might not be enough. It might be enough, but might not be enough. I know what I mean. Yeah, that'll do. Perfect. Have a beer. Nah, I can't do alcohol. Alcohol don't agree with me anymore. After one, I feel super sick and I'll be puking everywhere. It's a shame, really. Used to be okay before that. Only recently it started doing that. I cry. I'm totally used to trying to solder a QFN chip. I find it harder than handling a BGA. Really? What the hell? What the hell, man? Right, let me clean this up a sec. I don't want it getting on the... There you go. Don't want it getting on the device. Right, where is it? There it is. Let's prep these pads. I hope this works. I wouldn't think it would be anything else. Oh, what's going on there? I take it they're connected. don't like the fact that it is connected though, but I take it is. Looks it. You got a new mat? I have, JFix, yes. I was fed up and keep getting everything caught up on the little lumps and bumps. And now I've got so much more room. Yeah, I can't organise my screws as good, but as long as I keep them separately, it'll be alright. Okay, whoops, I just dropped the chip. And it goes that way on. Whoa, 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 where you going? I can't do this, man. I'm shaking so much. Let me swap hands. I think we're good there now. I think we're in position. Have a little bit more flux. Is it in position? Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Right, I'm going to go over it with the iron just to make sure. Really hard to see, actually. Actually, I won't go over with the iron. I don't think it's even doing anything. Oh, I've got to clean it up first. I can't really see what's going on. QFNs are so tricky. Yeah, go grab a nice glass of cold water. Shakes will go very quick. Cold water with a squeeze of lime. Good morning. Hello, Oscar. Looks good to me. Hang on, I ain't even looked at it yet. Don't know if that's a bridge there or not. Where's my tweezers? There they are. Yeah, I'll go grab some water in a second. Nah, it's not bridge. That's good. But yeah, it looks alright. Yeah, looks good there. Yeah, looks good. I think it's just a bit of flux and looks good there as well. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's test it. See if we get some sort of life or charge it. No, it won't be charging out of this, but see if it'll cut out. Oh my god, I'm so shaky. Hello, Momo. Bonjour. Fingers crossed. Yeah, thank you. Ready? Oh yeah. It's good. We're getting 100, no, 48. See, my ammeter's playing up. My ammeter's playing up already, and it's a new one. It's drawing, oh, it might be drawing up current anyway for some other reason. But I've got a fully working, unpatched V1 board here I repaired yesterday. And when I plug it in, look at that. How is it drawing? Oh no, it's gone back to 0 now. I don't know, but sometimes it reads weird readings. I need to get another one. But yeah, so I think that might be working now. Let's get it back together and see if it works. Good morning, Sean. Morning, morning. Hopefully this will fix it. I think it went in this way first. What? Will that not feed through there? No, I guess it won't feed through there. Damn it. I have to do it this way. Oh no, it must feed through there. Don't know. Do it that way anyway. Okay, I think this goes in there. Like that. What other things? This ribbon cable here needs to come out. Nope, I can't get it out now. Yes, I can. You've got that there, this cable here. I think that's it. I just got to connect them all up. Fingers crossed, yeah, I hope so. Hopefully it works. First start off with the display. That's clipped in. What else? This thing. Don't know what that's for. That's plugged in. This little connector down here. This is for the bottom charger. It's now clipped in. And I guess this is a mic. Come on. So fiddly. Why won't you go in? Ah, there we go. Right, that's plugged in. Right. Oh yeah, I've got to put that thermal pad back on. So I forgot to put it back on when I put it back together. So that was just on there. Perfect. Ooh, exciting. I know, now I've got to put all the screws back in, and I hope I've got everything connected. Looks like it. Does it look dark, guys, or not? The screen. If so, I'll brighten it up a bit. The trepidation will it, won't it? There's a trepidation. I've not heard it. It looks fine. Alright, thank you guys. It just looks very dark on OBS. And grainy. A little wire there, yeah, it's past it. And one more screw here. Put these little posts on. Oh, 2 seconds, guys. Got a customer. Right, sorry guys, just got to quickly go to the front door. I should be back in about, I don't know how many minutes. Less than 2 minutes, hopefully. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Oh, I'll put them in the wrong order. Back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Back, sorry. Good morning, Marius. What's on the book today? It's the rugged shop scanner type thing. I'm putting the posts on the wrong posts. I didn't realize there's some big ones and some small ones. I guess that's a big one. Yeah. Big one for the big one. That makes sense. Small ones for the small ones. And hopefully this works. And then I've just got loads of switchboards to do. I've done a PS5 this morning. Guy come to me and he was like, he phoned me up and he was like, oh, I've just Googled repair and I come up. He said that he was expecting it to be a shop and he drove to my house and was like, and it's a house. I was like, yeah, it is a house, yeah. He was shocked. Why am I missing some of these rubber feet? I think they're probably in the bottom here. Oh no, they are. There they are. There's two there. And that's it. And now all the screws are falling out. Lovely. To be fair, why do it in the shop and pay rent and stuff? I suppose how big you are, really, innit? Another rubber foot there and a rubber foot there. And that's good. That's all of them. So what about that weather? Yeah, it's pretty warm today. It's not yet, it's not reached its peak, but dang, that was fast. I was trying to force small talk. What do you mean? Oh, I see. Yeah, it was fast. Yeah, I let him know also he's got damaged. He's dropped it and he's got a damaged Ethernet cable, Ethernet port. So I let him know about that, and he said if it doesn't work, he'll bring it back to me. I was like, okay, cool. Right. Right, before I put the screws back together, I am going to give it a quick test. No idea what to look for. Right, let's do it. Yeah, a lot of work from home now. Shop will be extra cost, exactly. Right, here we go. Are we going to get anything come up on screen? Okay. It's doing something at 460 milliamps. Does it come on, or is it so flat? Well, it's staying on, but there's nothing happening. Have I got to turn it on? I don't know where the on button is. Oh, there's the power button. Oh, it's not working. Oh, sad times. Better to keep low overhead to run a business from home, yeah. It's not working, guys. How flat's the battery? Yeah, I don't actually know. Don't know. I don't even know if that is a USB charging port there. I assume it is. Let's have a look at the battery power. I think it's like 3 point something volts. No, it's definitely connected in at the screen. Yeah. 3.6 volts. You can't really see there, but yeah, 3.6 volts. So that's not dead. Try with that out ammeter. Okay, I'll try it. No, still nothing. Oh, I thought that was gonna work. Press hold power button. No. Nope, nothing. It's dead. How annoying. Even without the battery connected, we'll pull in the same drawer, I think. Unless there is another short on there. No, it's drawing nothing. It's not drawing anything. You can't really see that, I don't think. So without the battery, is nothing. Well, it keeps fluctuating actually. 0 there. But then as soon as I do plug a battery in, maybe that way. We're getting 462, 467. So it is charging. Maybe it's just charging. I would have expected it to turn on with 3.6. Yeah. Oh, hang on. There's a red light up there. Oh, well, it's gone now. There's a red light there. Oh, it's drawing 1.3 amps. So it's turned on now, but there's no display. It's drawing 1.1 amp. Hang on. Let me lock the battery. It's drawing 1.90. Yeah, 1 amp. I saw a red light. Do I just press the power button now? We've got a red light still. I think it means it's too flat. It's still too flat to turn on. I don't know, DJ. I don't know. Yay, red is fixed. So I think it's still too flat to power on. So we're getting a solid red light now. Right, let me try it without the ammeter because it's so big and awkward. Okay, I'd never noticed that red light. Now it's flashing. What does flashing red mean? Yeah, leave it. It means fixed. No, I think that's like an error, to be honest. Maybe it does mean it's charged. Oh, I don't know. What do I do, guys? Do I just leave it for a bit? Let's try it with the ammeter because I want to see that 1 amp draw again. Yeah, 1.9. Yes, yeah, it's drawing over the 1 amp again. Download the manual. Okay, yeah, let me have a look. It's a rugged. I don't even know. Oh, I forgot to put the sticker in. Oh, and the screws anyway. Rugged mobile. Normal voltage is 3.7 volts. Limited charge voltage is 4.2. Oh, now it's a solid light. I'm just going to leave it for a bit. We're now drawing 1.2. Oh, now it's flashing again. I don't know what it's doing. I agree. Leave it to charge on the side. 10 minutes, probably just really flat. All right, I'll leave that to the side a minute, along with the screws and that sticker. And it keeps going solid light and then flashing. But yeah, I'll leave it. I'll leave it. Hopefully it's fixed. Right, you guys, right? If I could get a drink of water, it is pretty warm now, and I'll start on the switches after that. Better than no light, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I don't like it. It's blinking and then solid and blinking and solid. Let me Google it quick. Indicates a low battery. A blinking red light on a rugged mobile device often indicates a low battery. It may also signify a charge problem, a fault with the battery, or a connection issue between the charger and the device. Not sure on that one. Maybe it's trickle charging until it reaches a certain voltage and then ramp up. Yeah, get a nice cold beer. Yeah. I'll go get a drink of water quick. Sorry, 2 seconds. Does it need a special charger? That I don't know. I'll have to message the customer a sec. Yeah, hold on. Some things use ID pins. Yeah, it does at the bottom, but it's just a mobile phone. I don't know if I should use no, because it is drawing the correct voltage. One amp, 4.3 volts. Let me try power it on now. All right, so let me just leave it on charge about the ammeter, and then just leave it. It goes solid red, which I thought would be charging, but the flashing may be an issue. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, let's start on some boards. Voltage injection time. Can you bypass the battery? That's a good shout actually. That's a good shout. Voltage injection time. Can you help the battery by charging it directly with DC power supply? Yeah. What's the... Nothing's getting warm. Yeah, let me quickly put a bit of charge into the battery then. I don't know if it's going to help it. I was joking, please don't inject voltage. I'm not going to inject voltage. I'm going to just charge the battery a little. I'll put 4 volts into it. Let me see which one's negative and positive first. I think this is positive or negative. Yeah, that's correct. Hey, what's this battery reading? Oh, 3.689. So it was charging the battery. 3.689. Let's put 4 volts. Just to help it boost. Okay, and if we charge the battery. I'm not drawing anything. Why is it not drawing anything? Does it need to have that sense pin? 3.996. It's not charging. .3. Nah, it's not drawing anything. I guess it won't work with that. It needs to have that middle pin, I guess, or something. I don't know. But it's not allowing it. Alright, I'll just leave it. See if it charges. Eventually. Not even getting a red light now. What? Oh, it's drawing 0.468 again, not 1 amp. Oh, there you go. Now it's come on. But then it's flashing again because it's probably too flat. It's gone again. Are you sure you connected all ribbons? Yes, I did. They're all connected. I'll just leave it. Just come back to that in a minute. Stuff it. Do it without the charger in. I mean, ammeter. Okay, let's hide these cables. Don't need them at the minute. Let's start on... Oh, I can't do lights yet because I am waiting for those ribbon cables to arrive, which is annoying. I do want to see if I could do another V1, see if it's unpatched. There you go, V1. Nice V1 here. Just going to need a M92 on it. Oh no, that's not got a connector on. Can't be bothered to deal with that. V2 here. No, that's missing a connector as well. Wow, all these are missing the connectors. What, is that all? The rest are lights? No. Oh, there we go. And it's a hack. And it's got an M92 on it. Oh, awesome, we'll do that one. Yeah, it's not even got a flashing light anymore. Oh, no, that is on. Let me use a different charger. Hold on. I don't like this, guys. 468. If I take the battery out, we're not drawing anything. And if I check the voltage of the battery, I just want to confirm it again. 3.6, nearly 3.7. Whoops. I might have to open this up and have another look. So we've got a red light there and then it disappeared. I can't get it to plug in properly. Red light off. Red light. Hang on, has it got a dodgy port? Oh, we're up. I think it's got a dodgy charge port. It just come up with some up. Did you see that? It just came up with something. It even made a beeping noise and everything. Maybe it is just too flat still. See, it's back again. I think it's just too flat. It needed to be at 3.7 volts for it to boot up. Yeah. Awesome. Just got to take a picture. But then it's flashing again. I think it's just still too flat. Whoops. Don't think I was supposed to show that. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I want to see if it's charging off camera quick. So blinking red light just means low battery, but is it actually going to show me it charging? That's what I want. No, it's just shut off again. Let me try and clean the port. But it's working. It's working. It's just being weird. I don't understand it. Hello, John. Leave to do switch, then go back. Yeah. I think it is a dodgy port. Because if I move it, it works. No, I don't want to leave it just for 2 seconds. Yeah, you're right, John Carr. How you doing, buddy? All right, let me just leave it like that because that light is solid red now. Right, okay, let's just do the switch. Let's go. Always good when the sun is shining. Yeah, I know, it's amazingly good. Right, let's look under the scope. See what's going on with this one. And like I said, my ammeter is playing up again already, my new one. But there is a way I could work around it. No idea what's causing the issues, but... What was I doing, guys? Oh yeah, microscope. Let's go under the scope. Oop. Oh, it's gone into recovery mode. I can't do it. Hang on, guys. Where it's just shut itself off automatically. It's gone into recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. Restart. How do I restart then? Where's it up and down? Oh. I don't know, guys. It's being stupid again. I didn't know how to go up and down on it. Touchscreen weren't working. Oh, let's just leave it. I swear the flashing doesn't mean it's charging. It's got to be solid red. Alright, just leave it. Anyway, sorry, yeah, back to the scope. Sorry, guys, I'm dwelling again. Right, here we go. Take the battery out and restart. Yeah, I will in a minute. Okay, so... We're missing the clamp off of there. There's a lot of work been done to this. That's not on. Oh my god. All those capacitors been knocked. All looks good. What about the port? If I could get it to focus. Yeah, port looks good. And on the other side. Oh, for God's sake. Ugh. So it needs a new fuel gauge. You never know, it might still work. Huge blob there. What the hell? Whoa. That's been knocked. Think the rest is okay. So I guess the first thing is to do the M92, sort that out, sort that area out. But yeah, that looks messy. Right, M92 it is then. Let's get it going. Nah, that's still flashing. I'm not happy with this device. Sorry, I'm just checking out this phone thing again. I think it's charging now. Yep, it's just it's charged. It's starting up again. I think it is the port on it. I'll have to inspect that. Look, the M92's even on wrong. What? They've not even put it the right way round. Gonna be fun, isn't it? While I've got the shakes. Need to drink more water quick. That's probably when I tried fixing. Hmm. Alright, it's booting up on that thing, on that device. I'm making a right mess, guys. Hold on. Just trying to separate these bloody... There you go. Capacitors. Alright, where did this come from? Which way did I knock it round? Oh, I see. Okay. I think I'm good now. Whoops. Perfect. Clear the mess with the caps first. Oh, hello, CG, and yes. Hopefully it should sort itself out now. No! What's that one doing? Why are they not straightening themselves out? Right, that'll do. Oh no, there's still another cap down there. Right, I think that's good. Sorry if you can hear the grass cutter outside. It's booted up fully into Windows, that device. And then it shut off as soon as I picked it up. Think I know what it is. It's because it's not screwed down. The battery keeps losing contact. It's turning on now. Can't see it. Yeah, it's all right. Tell you what, guys, hang on. Before I continue, I'm gonna have to put this thing back together properly because it is working now. It's not even on charge, but the battery is low. But I think, let me see if I can force shut it down. I think I need to put it together properly so the battery doesn't lift up, because this back is very loose and it's got the battery connected. Let me just quickly screw that down because I'm pretty sure that would be it after that. That makes sense why sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't. Sorry guys, took away the fun. I need to wait for that to cool down anyway. But I swear this is fixed. Right, last screw. Okay, now put this not so sticky thing anymore back on. Whoops. Not so sticky anymore. Alright, that's good. Putting it back on charge quick. And it's charging. Well, I'm just going to leave it. It should be booting up now. It boots up on its own. Is it going to? Oh no, it's not even in properly. God's sake. There, now it's in properly. So it lights up for a second, goes off. And is it going to power up? Or is it a dodgy port? I honestly don't know, guys. It's a stupid thing. I need it to power up normally. Let me just leave it on charge. Let me leave it on charge. Anyway, back to this, guys. Sorry. Yeah, let's just sort out that M92. Jeez. Right, let's clean this up. Don't even know if the M92 is okay. They put it on backwards, it could have blown it. How many times did you say we'll leave it? 5? I know, I'm sorry. Thing is, I want it to be done. Come on, heat up iron. There we go. Because while it's in the Windows state, I want to see if it is charging, active, like proper charging. Why is it no solder going on there? No solder, transfer it. And now it is. Good. Is there solder on the bottom pads? I think so. There is now. Okay. I think I see a bridge. Or is that dirt again? It's just dirt. So it looks like it needs pushed down, doesn't it? It's not connecting. Oh, I'll have to push it down quick. Oh, the solder in M92 is not melted. Longer. That's fine now, I think. When it all squeezes out. That's fine, it's sat down now. It looks a bit iffy, but it's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Right. What was next? I forgot. Oh yeah, the bloody fuel gauge. Yeah, I'm gonna take the fuel gauge off. And then use the ammeter to see if we're getting any shorts. That's why the chip is not flat. Oh, right. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that's why it wasn't flat. Yeah. Damn it. There you go. What else needed attention? I can't remember what else. Don't worry about the BQ area. What else was it? That. Oh my god. Yeah, that needs attention after. But I think that's it for component wise. Alright, let's just see what it's doing. Again, my ammeter is playing up. Give you guys a warning. Your battery is running low. Saying your battery's running low, it's still not charging it. And then it shuts right off when I unplug it. And then it comes back. It is charging. But then it's not. I'll have to look at it later. Right, here we go. Oh, don't start this shit again. Is this the same one that I tried to pull for and it kept looping? Right. Alright. So if I go into continuity and just check around for shorts. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe not. It tricked me. No short on there. No short there. No short there. No short there. None there. None there. None up here. None there. That's fine. Fine. So that's all reading fine there. Is this the same one that I struggled on? Not on BQ. Oh yeah, up there, wasn't it? I forgot there was one up here. That chip. This one, sorry, the inductor. It could be shorting out. Whew, started to sweat. Still not straight, but it's good enough. No, it's not. I'm going to move it over a little bit. I'll do. This board is so sticky. It's disgusting. I thought it was my fingers, but it's not. It's the whole board. Gammy. I think that's cooled down enough. Right, okay, cool. Here we go. Are we still gonna get a flash, 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 flash? Yeah, we do. No, we don't. All good. 15 volts. What? 104 milliamps. What the hell? Again, that could be my ammeter playing up. No. No, that CPU's getting hot. I don't know. Is it the CPU? 95 milliamps. No, I don't think it is the CPU. Or is it? Or is it the RAM? I didn't check RAM. If that was shorted. No, RAM's fine. Thermal cap. Hey, look at that new emoji. Let's go. Yeah, I guess it's thermal cam time. Let me take off the shield because it might be something under the shield. Oh, there's flux under the RAM. Wow, I don't know. Maybe it just went under there. Have I done this? No, because I wouldn't have done that to the port. No, I don't think I would have touched. No, that wouldn't have been me. Put the M92 on like that and stuff. Okay, what was I gonna do, guys? Thermal cam, wasn't it? Let me just set it up on my PC quick. We'll have to look under the thermal cam. Just setting up the software. Although I think my thermal cam's faulty. But it's not. It is, but it's not. I'll show you the reasons why in a sec. Actually, I'll show you it now. So if I get my phone, right, and then, oh, I got a message. I've never noticed that. Oh, they're asking if I want to sponsor a football club. Can't even afford to bloody sponsor myself, let alone a football club. Yeah, so if I plug this in, right, and then look how clear this is and like non-flickery it is. Look, it's very smooth. And it's not flickering, weird colours. Sorry about the reflections. It looks okay. And then if I plug it into my PC, hold on, I've opened up the software. Plug it into my PC. And then change to thermal cam. T. No, I'm not connected to that JFix. And then it's very flickery. Not so much now, actually, but it's not that. It's I don't know. It seems to update a lot. Anyway, let's plug it in, see what we see. See what lights up. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's plugged in. Yeah, that CPU's getting hot. So is BQ and that inductor. So is that Max IC. Hang on, let me put on my macro lens. Let's have a look at BQ. BQ's normal. That usually should be like that, I think. The CPU. It's very glowy, isn't it? If we turn it around. Whoops. The Max IC is getting really hot, I think. And the bottom of the CPU. What could it be? Is it just a... Oh. Yeah, that's where the Max IC is. And look at that flickering. It's annoying. That should not be flickering. It doesn't do it on my phone. Only when it's connected to my PC. That's even worse now. Bloody hell. Yeah, I don't really see anything apart from the APU. BQ. Actually, what's that lighting up in the corner there? No, that is just the inductor. That is getting warm. I don't know. I don't know. Getting harder and harder these days. Yeah, that is getting hot though. CPU. So maybe do the Max IC. You could probably find a better driver. I've downloaded two softwares, the InfraRay one and the TC View or whatever. I think it's called TC View. I don't know where the drivers are. Just a lot of people don't have, no other people have this issue but from me. Nah, this isn't charging. This phone type thing. Do you know what? Instead of charging it from my PC and that, I'm gonna quickly go indoors and see if I could charge it on a proper phone charging power adapter instead of just using like PC or my power supply thingy majiggy. Just gonna see if it'll work then. I'll be back in a second. I really wanted to see if it works. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Sorry, I'm back. Right. So, do I take off Max IC, do you reckon? Or check around, actually. Or check around for shorts around there. I don't think I checked around there for shorts, did I? Whoops. Dropping everything. No, we're good round the Max ICs. I reckon it's still an APU issue. That APU's getting warm. What about this bottom Max IC? No, that's fine too. I don't know if that's supposed to be short all around here. I think it is. Or is it my... I don't know. Hello, Oscar. It's your stream. You don't have to be sorry to be back. Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? Why is it getting that hot? I guess the first thing to do is put a fuel gauge back on it. Then we could get a spare fuel gauge. I think I could probably use one off of VR. Yeah, this one's good. Let's remove this. Actually, I'm not going to take off of that one. Do switch lights have the same fuel gauge? Can't remember. If they do, where the hell is it? Do switch lights have fuel gauges? I don't see it there. Would that be the fuel gauge? Probably. It looks like it. It's next to that big inductor thing. Wow, I've taken them off all of them. Oh, that one's got a nice decent one on. There. Yeah, it's the fuel gauge. Is it the same though? 17058, I believe so. Right, let's get that off. What time is it, guys? It's Reebol time. But I'm gonna have to do a few of these today. My graveyard of caps. Look, there's one in there. Oh, is it only the one? Oh, it is only the one this time. They keep coming off the APUs. Dun-dun-dun-dun. How hot is it now out there? Oh, very warm in here. Oh, is that perfect or not? I don't know. Get another one to compare it to. Damn it. Right, so it's just below that trace on the left and there. Just below the trace on the yeah, that looks right. Maybe it's gonna shift itself upwards, but it'll be alright. Turn down the airflow a bit so it doesn't blow away. Nice. $28 degrees here in Nottingham. Jesus. No way already. What is it here? It's not that hot here. It's only 24 in here. It's Swindon. It's going to be as high as 27 later. Too hot for us. I see if there's any change in the amp draw, but I doubt it. But this is very sticky. Hang on, have I got a bent pin in there? Although say this is completely ruined. Wow. What on earth is that? Is that from this port? Or is it from that phone charger? Whatever it is. Scanner. I think it might be. That's why it's not charging properly. Ooh, it's only 21. That's pretty cool. Oh, you guys can't see. No. Well, basically in my ammeter, I had a massive gold piece. A huge gold piece. It might have come out from the side there, actually. Is there a gold piece on that side? No, there isn't. I don't know where it came from. It's a massive leg. Right, let's see what the amp draw is now. No, now it's doing that flickery. Oh, it's because it's a sticky port. not working at all now. Yeah, see, the short's gone now. There was that piece of metal inside there. But now it's not recognizing that side. I swear. Shut up, multimeter.
CGX super chatted £8.53. Buy a new USB meter.
Thank you, CG. This is only this is pretty new. Wow, I've done something to it now. Probably blown the M92. But we'll have to do it from this way. But it's no more shorts. Have I literally just damaged my ammeter? Let me try a working board. No, my ammeter's fine. But yeah, I'm going to go get a USB. See, this one's saying, this is the issue I'm having with this one. This is a fully working one, and it's reading a 50 milliamp draw. And it's not. It's not. The reason why I say it's not, because if I get another board and do the recalibration method, where you press and hold to recalibrate it, it should say cal. Oh, it's not even reading this one. Oh, there's no M92 on it. And I'm going to do this one. Recalibrate it. Okay, it's slightly changed. Let me change that. There you go. So, see, it's drawing nothing. Now, if I go back to this unpatched one that said 50 milliamp draw. Oh, the screen's flipped. Okay, well, it still says it. Well, it's not. It's not. There's no short on it. It works absolutely fine. And there you go. Now it's showing 0. No shorts. I need to get a better one. These ones are crap. This is my 3rd one. But yeah, I'll buy a new one. But yeah, there's no short on this one, so it should power up now. What else am I missing? That was it. Yeah, fuel gauge. So let me plug it in. Oh, another board here. I can't remember what was wrong with that one. I think I fixed it. I just need to sort out the rest on it. Let's plug it in. So sticky. I don't even think that screen connector's going to go in. Oh yeah, it did. It did. Oh god, that button. Oh my god. Seriously, I don't think I can clamp that down without breaking it. Bit of isopropyl alcohol. Guess where this is going if I repair it? Bit of heat. There you go, it's loose. I used whatever that is. It's nice. You can also connect to PC. How much is that though? Because I think the max I'm willing to pay is about £30. I've seen one that looks really, really good. On Ali anyway. Right, I think that's everything to test it. Let's jump it. Let's jump it. What's this showing then? It's showing the charging. It's showing 487 milliamps, but no power. or did it, but because that screen connector's so fluxy, it's not showing a display. No, because there's no backlight neither. Try it again. Do we get a reboot sequence or anything? Yeah, it's rebooting. So that just rebooted, I think. Let's try that again. Yeah, because it's drawing 800 now. So it is that screen connector. Oh yeah, and we got a backlight. I don't know if you can really see down there. So it is powering up. So why we get no display? Because of that fluxy bloody cable, no doubt. It was cheaper than £30. It's good if you want to connect to OBS to show. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. Because it's really hard to read my one, I think. What was I looking at? Display. Looks okay in there. Let me just give it a clean. Oh, hang on. Why does it look half soldered, half not? So they must have had a display issue with this. So I think they may have put a new display on there and started going over the pins because they're still not getting a display. That's why it's so fluxy. Yeah, they put a new connector on here. Yeah, that's loose. That's loose. Yeah, these are all loose. That's loose. Okay, so it needs to be put back on properly. That's why there's no display. I hope they haven't done anything over here. All right, let's get this display cable off and clean it up and have a look. Some of them don't even have bloody solder on it. Yeah, JFix, if you wouldn't mind like sending me a link or just a message to remind me the name of that ammeter, and I'll definitely have a look at it later. Just gonna check the connector to see if there's no bridges under here. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Let's clear up some of this flux. Don't need that much for this. That should be alright like that. And now if I try and put it back on, this is the fun part. Cheers, mate. I've got it. Thank you. Oh, look at that. That snapped right into position. Perfect. That surface tension wanted it. Yeah, thank you, JFix. Appreciate it, mate. Hopefully it's on enough. Yeah, looks fine. That's another loose pin. I think this is a damaged pin or something. It's fine. Just that one pin there, and it's wobbly, so I'm assuming it is slightly damaged. The rest are okay. Yeah, the rest are fine. It's just this one here. Alright. £31, but worth it. It has an advanced features like
John Carr super chatted £5. Buy a new USB and a Diet Coke to cool down.
why Diet Coke, huh? But thank you, I appreciate it, John. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Yeah, I will in a second. I'll go get a drink in a sec. Right, that should be good. Oh yeah, sorry, I was JFix. £21, but it has advanced features like you could view power delivery protocols and trigger in. You could also use test resistance and quality of USB cables. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll definitely have a look at that one then instead. It's still not soldered. What the f... Don't even know if this one's important, but still. Let me go at a really funny angle. No idea if it's melted the plastic there. It kind of looks like it has. Right, yeah, I think this is lifted because it's not soldering down. I think it needs soldering being soldered while pushed down. So I'm gonna have to push it down and then clip it. Quickly clip it with the iron. How am I gonna push it down? Bloody hairs. I can't get the angle. What the f... Can't even see it there. Or maybe if I push down and solder at the same time. Like this. Maybe that's done it. Thank you. I might have ruined that connector completely now. Nope, still not. And it kind of looks important too. Let's give it a go because it might not be that important. AJIT Services. I can also vouch for this frenzy effort. Oh, all right, thank you. You could run a jumper from that pin. I might as well just change the connector. I don't really want to run jumper wires, but yeah, I could always do that. I'll just change the connector if not. Yeah, let's just try it. You never know. Might be okay. But I doubt it. I'll just change the connector. It's a dodgy connector. Where is this hair? Oh, the hair's stuck on my tweezer. That's why. It's coming out of nowhere. Is it important? Yeah. But now it's not even rebooting. Or unless it just did then. No, it didn't. It's not even giving a backlight. Seeing if there's a backlight. Yeah, there is a backlight, so it is still working. Oh. Is it booting up? Is that a backlight? Oh yeah, there is a backlight there still, yeah. Oh, it's on. But you can see lines. I think it is due to that pin. Is it not charging then? Oh, it's gone off now. Is it charging? Yeah, it is charging. I'm just going to change the connector out, but I'm glad that's working. Oh, it's just gone again now. Yeah, because of the pin. Yeah, no, just shut itself off. Now it's rebooting. Very, very dark. Slow. This is like booting up really slowly. It's not fixed. Yeah, let's sort out that connector. It's got a horrible line. Oh, the lines are gone now. Don't know. I'm still going to swap it out. Chris F. Hello, Chris. How are you, buddy? Getting here slowly with this. Starting off with a massive short, but it ended up not being a short. There's something in my ammeter that was clogging it up. Let's get this connector changed. First, I need a drink. I've got a drink here. I've got some ice and a boost. Oh, it's orange. Tropical Blitz. Let's go. Very nice. Sugar free, so it is diet. Oh, it's good. Right, let's get it off. Let's get it off. Let's get it off. 2 seconds. I'm just removing another connector. Second, so I'm doing it off. What? The whole time you haven't even seen it, or did I swap scenes? Oh well. Sorry, guys. Nobody's telling me. Just taking off another connector. I think that's good there. I've been reading on that pin you were having trouble with. It should be 0.452V. Alright, thank you, LJ. Thing is, it wasn't soldering down onto that pin. But I'll read it now for getting that. Well, we will get that voltage. Oh. Yeah, it looks soldered now. This board's so hot I could barely touch it. Yeah, that's soldered now. Yeah, they're all fine. I'm not gonna go over them all. Yeah, it seems to be fine. Heat from underneath. I did heat it from underneath, didn't I? Oh, did you watch Dakota's video on how to use hot air station? I did. Oh, since I quit energy drinks while oh, you lost 20 kilograms. Jeez. Fair play, man. What happened with the board that kept killing M92s? Yeah, that's a donor board now. I don't want to kill anymore. I've still got it. I've not taken anything off it, I don't think, yet, so. Right, this is cooled down. Let's get it started. Oh, this wire is really annoying. Get back in there. Still need to put P13 on this one and see if it docks. Well, I want it to display properly first. And then we'll put P13 on. Then we'll do a full test. I'll even plug in touch, look. There you go. Here we go. Is it finally fixed? Afternoon, Trace. You okay, babe? Okay, we've got a display. Are we gonna get touch? See, look, it's really slow. Why did it do that? Like, start off really dark and then get stronger. Alright, touch isn't working. Oh, touch. Oh, not even connected properly. For God's sake. Doesn't this is not clicking in very nicely. It's this reader, I think. It's not the best. Hopefully that's it. I'll see you tomorrow anyway. I miss you too. Stop embarrassing me in front of everyone. Do you reckon that's an auto brightness thing? Ugh, touch is not working. Why is touch not working? I'll change the game card reader again. It should work. Let's have a look under the scope. We know the screen works absolutely fine now. This still looks okay. No missing capacitors. Do I just change reader? Give it a quick clean. Let's give it a little brush down. It could be flux, maybe. I'm streaming. That don't look very good, does it? So I think it's the game card reader. That's why it's not feeling very nice going in. No. But it should still work. Alright, I'll just change the game card reader. Don't know if this one works. With a V1. Well, that one's not even going in. Oh, there we go. Oh, that clipped in lovely. Now we're not getting a display or a boot. Why not? I don't know why touch isn't working. Anyone got any ideas? What can stop touch apart from the game card reader? Just putting in the... Oh no, I could only put one Joy-Con in there. The other one's missing its tab. I don't know if it'll detect both Joy-Cons. It detected that one. Is it going to detect this one without the tab? Oh, it did. It connected it without the tab. Let me see if the screen brightness is an issue. Automatic brightness. There you go. Maybe that's why it started off really dark. But why is touch not working? LCD connector. Had one like this one time. LCD connector. I've just changed it, CG, though. Let me try another card reader. I think I've got one more somewhere. No, I don't have another one. Damn it, I thought I did. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Do you know the game card reader is good? Don't know, let me try it. Try a game. It was working on my other boards fine. No, it's not even reading the game. So it's not. Maybe it's the connector, the game card connector. There's compatibility requirements with these readers. Yeah, I know there is. I know the other one. I think this one worked for V. Well, it did work for V1 because I managed to test the. No, I didn't manage to do it with the. Oh, I can't remember. Hold on. Let me try a different board. This is the unpatched board. V1. And if the touch doesn't work on it, then this doesn't work with V1 boards. Like that went in. Jump it. Let's see if it slowly goes dark and then light this time. No, see, straight away bright. It was the auto brightness. Oh no, this is a different board, isn't it? Never mind. Alright. Yeah, touch works. And this is a V1. And it's read the game card, insert game card. Hang on. No, now the whole bloody thing's frozen. Oh no, I ain't got the Joy-Cons connected. Never mind, it's me being silly. Oh, what card is this? Ah. Alright, it's not reading the game cards. Well, it was, because I tested it. So I might have to change a connector on this because it's all melty, isn't it? Not melty, but you know what I mean. On here. No, this one's fine. No, this one's fine. So this one works with V1. This is the one with the weird melty connector. Does this one work with V1? Could it be the other board freezes? No, because it worked with the Joy-Cons. The slow boot has given the vibes of a degraded oscillator crystal. What the hell is one of them? No, touch doesn't work with this one. So this one works with V1s. I guess this one only works with V2s. Or is that one just damaged? Oh, I'm so thrown off. I swear I had this one working before. Try it one more time, see if the game works with this one. That snapped in nicely. No, that didn't jump. You would inspect the FPC real close. Sometimes they look good and aren't. Okay, I'll have a look. Yeah, I'll have a look. Yeah, see, touch is working with this one. Does the game work now? Please. No, it's not reading games now. For God's sake. I'm not even getting an error. Now I'm getting the error. just clean the game cartridge. Make sure there's no bent pins in there. No, it looks clean inside there. I don't know. Right, I won't worry about this board at the minute. This isn't the one I'm trying to work on. It's the other board. The one with the slow boot. So I know touch works with this now. Let's inspect the FPC connector quick. Or not even the FPC connector. The game card. It looks to me absolutely okay. Not wrong one. And this is all fine. And now the game card reader. Yeah, looks okay. Let's just try it again. Oh god, guys, I'm so hot right now. So hot. Yeah, it doesn't start off slow neither. It went straight to bright screen. No, okay, so something's definitely wrong with the touch. Does it still read a game though? No. So we still have an issue. So that is definitely... Oh, it's reading the game. Sort of. We're still getting the error even on this one. So that's due to either the game card reader or the actual cartridge itself. This is my tester one. It is all fluxy. But the back looks fine. Why is touch not working? Do you reckon that's what the original issue was for this? Was touch? Or the display? They changed the display connector. Try pushing down the middle of the FPC while inserting the game. Okay, I'll try that. Donor connector, yeah, I might change it. I'll probably have to change the connector. So I've not had it before, but there's no touch. That's new to me. Well, due to not being that. Due to not being the connector, but it might still be the connector. Boot it up. Again, no touch, well we know that, but the game, pressing down on the FPC connector while inserting. No, still not reading it. No. But it wasn't reading it on the other board. All of a sudden. But the touch isn't working. Oh, let me just change that connector out. You never know, it could be a hidden issue. Actually, I'm going to clean that bit up because it's very sticky and it's annoying me. Just here. I've had no issues with this one though. It's just a bit damaged now. I might even have to change a connector on this. But let me change it on the board first. Although it looks fine. The other possibility is that some component might have shifted at some point and the other connector was receiving heat. Yeah, let's have a good look. Let's have a good look. Because when I first got this, I'll show you what was shifted. Was it, whereabouts was it? Was it on the other side it got shifted? Yeah, it was this thing. Was it this capacitor inductor here that got moved? But isn't that, I don't know what this is for. Is this part of the touchscreen? This was touching this. But I moved that back. Is this due to touch as well? Maybe that got knocked. Oh. Wow. There you go. Could that be it? Oh, what's this? Is that the other half of it? Oh no, what's this? What? This wasn't all me. That's not all me. I've done it on a nice matte surface. How did I miss that? Where is it now? I've lost it. There. Whereabouts is it on here? There. Ah. What? Look at that. Boom. Yeah. I think you have found your problem. Thank you, Claw Slug. Yeah, Oscar. Alright, let's start off with this then, because this is going to be the most difficult repair. Well, I say difficult, it's not. It's gone now. Alright, let me sort that out then. But hopefully that's causing the issue with touch and the game. How did I not see it the first time round? I was like looking around the board. Obviously, I'm not inspecting it properly. I am going to use a little jumper wire on the actual board rather than just jumping it from the pin to the resistor. Just because I think it looks a bit tidier. I mean, the solder's not sticking to the. I mean, the flux isn't sticking to it because the isopropyl alcohol. There you go. I hope I found the problem. I hope this is the problem. Just burning off some enameled wire quick. I'll sort that out in a second. There you go. The blurriness. There. Oh, for God, stop going out of focus, you little shit. Well, it's still jumping from the resistor, but no, I need pair of tweezers. Very freaking hot. Every freaking day, every freaking night. So we get tired. That should be good, right? Perfectly on the pad. It's pre-tinned. Let's get it on. I need a spare one. Lucky enough, that's not really a component that I use much, or if at all. So, should have loads of them. Yeah, there's one there. Just taking one off quick. What? I forgot to add conformal coating anyway. Should have added conformal coating first. Sorry, solder mask. Whoops. Oh, it's not even soldered. Stupid angle. Oh my god, I'm so hot. What is everyone actually doing right now? Are they working or got today off or what? I am sweating. Fudge up this table a little bit. Oh, that's all I could do. Got the day off, loving the weather. Yeah, it's really hot. Working, but not working. Fed up with aircon max. Well, oh, feet up with aircon max in the van. Damn. Lurking. Got a lurker. I won. What? One eye on work, one eye on you. Thank you. I think that's nearly done. 10 more seconds. And it should be cured. Okay. Wobbly, wobbly. Now let me see if I can get this blimmin' connector on. Sorry, not connector, component. Oh, won't let me grab it. Hold on. But I'm hoping that is connected. I'll have to do a continuity test without pushing down on it. Because if I have to push down on it for it to connect, it's no good. Let me try it in continuity quick. I was about to go to sleep, but it's 8 a.m. I spent the whole night playing Fortnite. Oh, jeez. I don't know how you can play that game. Alright, we're in continuity. You can't hear that, but it's there. And if I go from this side to this side, no, okay. This side. That's kind of hard to test. It's just so small. And I've accidentally covered that with conformal coating. I don't know what resistance. There you go. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. So that's that sorted. Now it's this. Oh, I've got hair in my mouth. Okay. Let's remove this then. Don't know if it's necessary to have this diode there. Removing the diode from the donor board. Ah. Alright. Time to test again. We don't need these connected now. It's still really sticky. I thought I bloody cleaned it. Oh, I've knocked my microphone down. Whoops. Right. Please touch work. Please touch work. Huh? Not even booting up now. I don't understand why this happens. Why does this happen? Oh, okay. Never mind. It is displaying. Never mind. Right, I swear it's this bloody ammeter. Try it without it. Causing nothing but issues, that thing. No, it's looping. Is it looping? No. Still no touch though. But does it read a game? These are still connect synced from last time. Oh, hello. Right. Is it going to read a game? No. So what was the point of me fixing that? I think it's the game card. But why is not touch working? What microphone do you use? I just ordered Elgato Wave 3. That's very nice. The only thing is with my microphone, I mean, it sounds pretty good if I'm like really close to it, but obviously I don't want to be working like this. And I've got, it's the HyperX Quadcast S, I believe. Yeah. So it sounds alright, but obviously I don't wanna. But I don't know what the wave is. The Elgato Wave 3. I guess I'm gonna change that connector. If not, that could also be. Yeah, 'cause that clips in fine. It could also be that chip at the back that reads games. But would that also deal with touch? This thing. Does that deal with touch also? No, it must do. It's part of the game card reader. This whole board's pretty hot. Wow, why is that so hot? Yeah, it might be deal with that because that's probably part of the game card reader. Let me give that a little reflow. Give that a little reflow. Yeah, it sounds way better when close. Yeah, I know it does. I mean, if you're a normal streamer and stuff, you could have it on like a boom arm and it'll be like right in front of you type stuff. But yeah, it sounds really, really sexy. I'm joking. Sorry. Let's get this off. Get it off. I know, reflowing, I mean, not get it off. Had to go out. Did the scanner work in the end? I have no idea. It's on charge inside. I don't think it is charging properly. It works, but it doesn't charge properly now. What I might try in a minute actually is test the voltages on, well, try to test the voltage on each pin and see if it's actually getting delivered voltage. Does it jump? It's not jumping. Why can't I jump it anymore? This... That doesn't feel like it's clipping in nicely anymore. Ah, no, that didn't. Weird. Power button's no longer working. Lost my lead. Okay. Doubt if it's going to power on at all now. No. Maybe I nudged it too much. This is not even connecting. It won't connect anymore. Why? It's not damaged. Well, there's no point even worrying about that at the minute. It's not bloody doing anything. No, not powering up now. Why? I have no idea. This says 0.45 amp draw, but I keep getting that and it's not. Unless it actually is because of that. I nudged it too much. Now it's just flickering on that side. Do I have to reball that thing? Should I reball it? Now I've bloody nudged it too much, I guess. Yeah, I guess I've nudged it too much. And it must be shorted or something under there. I don't know. Guess I'm gonna have to take it off and reball that now. Urgh, making more work for myself. I don't know, it looks quite clean under there. Oh, M92. Move on to the next one. Oh, I can't. I can't. It was almost working though. That's the thing. It was just touching the game. It should be an easy repair. I'm not ready to move on yet. Reball time, yeah. M92. Oh, it could be M92 as well. Again. Nah, I doubt it. Better not be M92. I'm literally using one that I use. Well, not the one I use, but it's my only one that I can use. This one. Don't know if this is the right stencil for it. The balls look, the squares look a bit bigger than what it should be. What the fuck's sake? My nozzle fell off. I'm getting really hot and bothered now. Wait, is that right? No. Wait, yeah, it is. Yeah, just there. I was not right. Now it's right. Yeah, that's better. I need to change my flux tube. It's ran out. Barely get anything out of it. Right, if this doesn't work, guys, or even if it does work and touch still doesn't work, I'm gonna have a break because this heat's just too much for me now. I need to get some fresh air. Need a break, a heat break. Is it gonna reboot? No, still not gonna reboot. I don't know what I've done. I've done this. Is what I don't get sometimes. I do the most smallest things and then suddenly it just stops working. Let me check for shorts. Just don't understand it. No, there's no shorts. Looks like I'll have to come back to this one another time. I'll have to mark it. Battery connected. Does it jump? Yes, it's working again. It's looping. Okay, let me try touch now then. I think where it's not screwed down to the board, it's making it act really weird. It's probably touching other stuff it shouldn't be. Sounds wrong, but it is what it is. All right, let's see if it works while plugged in. Yeah, big red hammer time. Definitely being a pain in the ass. I just hope touch works now. Back to square one. All right, what about the game card reader? And let me get the Joy-Con to try and connect it a sec. Come on, connect. Come on. There we go. I think next or later I will change the connector. It's got to be the connector. Yeah, it's still not reading games. It must be that connector. There's a hidden issue somewhere on it. For touch and the game card not to be read. Alright, well, Switch could be like that sometimes, but on another hand, they're quite pleasant to work on. Yeah, I know they are. I am gonna end the stream here because I need a break. I'm sweating. Yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in, but I'll keep it. Yeah, I'll leave it like that for a minute. I'll come back to it a bit later. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please like the stream to show me that you enjoyed it. Yeah, this is going flat as well. Cheers, Andy. No worries. Yeah, it's really hot in here. Right, I see you guys later. Thank you. Cheers, guys. No worries. Sean, thank you for tuning in. Claw Slog, Oscar, Chris. Thank you. John. Yeah, cheers, guys. Bye. Is it stopped? No, it's not stopped yet.